Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is basically what I bought from TikTok. Now I watched Made by Mitchell, and I bought a mystery box, I think it was £20, and then I bought a bundle also that was £20. And then on Louise's TikTok live, there was a mystery box on there, I think as well. It was either £20 or £25. So look at this envelope. How lovely is that? So obviously that's Made by Mitchell. Yeah, so I'll show you first what I got from the mystery bundle. I had already halfway through recorded this. My battery died. I went back in and I lost all the footage. So that's why the boxes are open. So I will show you what I got. So I got the blush, which is a blush, liquid blush, and this is in Teach Me. Can I show? Yeah, I can't really see the screen too well, so if I go out of shot, I'm really sorry. This is Teach Peach, which is this. Shall I swatch on my hairy arm? Oh my god, yeah. Sorry, I'm hairy. So there is that colour. I could do it there, but I'll probably put it on my desk. So there is that one. Then I got Snatchral. Yeah, so this is more of an orange. Oh god, it looks bad on a hairy arm, doesn't it? So there is that one. These are absolutely beautiful. You can mix them. So the really orangey one, I think it is, yeah, this one, which is the Apricot Hot. I mean, I wouldn't wear this alone. I would mix it with one of the pink shades. Oh my god, it looks disgusting with hair. I'm really sorry. So there's that one. And this one is Party Pink, which is a really, really bright pink. Look at that. And also, you know, you can use these on your lips and your eyes, which I think is great. And then lastly from this bundle, this is Cold Heart. Ooh. Which looks like that. Very, very pretty. And it also came with a brush. Also the other bundle came with a brush. I've used this one. And it is the MF1, which is a really like dense brush, but it is great for blending those out. Okay, now on to the bundle that I got. So I got an extra apricot hot, which is that one. My light just fell. Then I've got Posy Rosy. Oh, these ones are from the Lonely Hearts Club, and then these, I think they're just the originals. So this is Posy Rosy. Yeah, I will swatch that puppy here. Beautiful. Then, oh, this is, I'll show you that one after. Then Very Berry. This is really, really beautiful. I love this. a deep colour, but is beautiful, really, really beautiful. And then the liquid, it's the Blush Lights, which is a liquid highlighter, and it is in Nova Lights. Which looks like that. This is stunning. Gorgeous. And then I got a mixing medium. Now, I nearly bought this separately, but I'm so glad that I did it now. So basically, it's the swirl solution. So yeah, basically you can add like two eyeshadows to make them into a liquid, you know, a liner or a gel. Or so yeah, I was super happy I got that. So they are the colours, which are stunning. But I'm going to wipe these off and I'll be back. Okay, I am back. Oh, I've also got from Made by Mitchell, you know, the new, they're not called cream eyeshadow, but they come in these pots. I really can't remember what they were called. I got 6 of them for I think £15. So that video will be up when I received them. I've also got the Be Perfect mystery box coming. So yeah, loving the mystery boxes. Right, this is a huge box from Louise. We'll stick that to the side. So let me show you these ones first. So I got a wet and set. We don't say sorry for setting. High standards around here, babe. So, oh, this is in Mango Mistress. I'm not going to swatch it because the colour's that, basically. So there was that. Then I got Forest Feel, which is green. Then I got Lip Dip Thick Formula, Irresistible High Shine. Oh, this is in Honey Bunny. This is a nude. Look at the packaging. How beautiful is that? Look, and the white bit here, I mean the lid bit, it's got drips. Love that. Let's swatch it. So it's this nude. I'll do it on the non-hairy bit. Looks like that. Really love that. Okay, and then, oh, I was so happy. So happy. So I got the mirror. Repeat after me. I am attracting everything that I deserve. So it's a magnet, babe, you're a magnet for miracles. So one side is normal mirror, the other side is magnifying. So you open it up like that. So yeah, so happy that I got that. And then underneath this little bit, remove that, you get some cute little stickers. I attract opportunity 2222. So yeah, they're pretty cute. And then this one, your 10 affirmations for home harmonious life. Why couldn't I say that? Write down and repeat every day, which is really cute. And then lastly, we got a palette. Worldy, you're tripping. Packaging is just everything. I absolutely love Louise packaging, and their eyeshadow formula is absolutely amazing. This thing moves around. Enjoy your journey, follow your dreams, you're on the right path, trust the process. Comes with a big mirror here, and then we have some greens and mustard. But look at the imprints on them, they're so cute. So that is the reason, let me stick that back in, why basically we got these. So you can use these alone or use it as a base. But yeah, I've already got a big palette. Money Shot, I think it is, that come with like 2 trays. One with greens, the other one with like some yellows, and there's neutrals and whatnot. But yeah, I think this was 20 quid. But I mean, I know these alone are £10. So yeah, I am super happy with my purchase. I really need to keep away from TikTok. It is dangerous, and it seems like now that near enough everybody is doing TikTok shop. But I'm not complaining, because you get some right bargains on there. But I do really need to keep away. But it's very addictive. Anyway, I am off. Thank you all so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves, and you will see me in my next one. Bye for now.